Perfect. Then I'm just gonna come in here and then I'll loop up. Good. Hi everybody, this is Danielle. She is a new patient and she has never been to a chiropractor. So I feel very honored to be her first ever chiropractor and she's feeling excited. She's feeling a little bit nervous, but she needs a little bit of relief. So we're very excited to get to work today. So do you want to tell everybody kind of what you've been experiencing? We talked before we started filming just about like your symptoms, but what is like the main thing that you're coming in here for today?
Yeah, of course. I get like I hold a lot of tension in my head and my neck.
Yeah.
And so I do get headaches quite often, like pretty much weekly.
Yes.
Which
is too much. The weekly is too much. And
Yeah.
do you take, when you get a headache, is there anything that relieves the headache pressure that you're having?
Yeah, usually if I take an Advil it works, but not all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So we did a little bit of an exam and I found that the traps are super tight. So the traps are inserting right here at the base of the skull. So look that way for me. Base of the skull, they come here to the tips of the shoulders and they come to the mid back. So we're gonna start there, but we're also gonna do some work when you're face up on like your suboccipitals, which are these big muscles in here, and then also the muscles that are coming down your spine, okay? Like scalenes and all of that. So what I'm first gonna have you do is you're gonna shrug the shoulder up for me. Yep, and then I'm gonna bring your head this way, and then you're gonna drop that shoulder down, and then lean to the right. So you haven't had chiropractic care, but you have had massage therapy, correct?
Yes.
Come shrug up here again. How often do you see a massage therapist?
I was seeing it every 3 months for the last year.
Okay.
But it's been 6 months since I've seen one.
Yeah, so it's been a little bit of time. Shrug up here. And then after you get massage, do you have relief within your headaches?
I do for like a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think because I haven't been in a while.
Yeah, you're like, we're overdue. A headache a week though, that's a lot. And they're not correlated to your cycle in any way?
I don't think so. I haven't tracked that, but I don't think they are.
Yeah. The things we go through. And then you're gonna shrug up again, but this time you're gonna sniff that right armpit.
Oh.
Right one.
Right one.
Yeah, that one, perfect. Good, and then come back up. And then sniff that right armpit. And then come back up. And then sniff that right armpit. And one more time. And then sniff that right armpit. Good. And then we're gonna do a little work in here. So I'll just move your head. Okay. Well, lucky for you, you picked the right chiropractor because I do a lot of soft tissue work. So it's similar to massage therapy in that aspect where we're working on the muscles that have a little bit of tightness or hypertonicity or a little bit of swelling, and we're providing movement. The things that make me different than like your standard chiropractor is like the soft tissue work. I also like to give corrective exercises. So for you, there's a couple things that I can give you that you can take home with you that you can do so that when this happens or you feel a headache coming on, that you can practice these things to help alleviate your tension. So here, and then you're gonna bring your arm across your body. Good, and then come out, and then across your body. And the majority of your days is spent sitting, correct? Yeah. How many hours on average?
At least 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you're working and you're finishing up some school.
Yeah.
Danielle's gonna be a teacher. Are you excited?
I am excited.
What grades are you gonna be teaching?
It's between grade 4 and grade 10. You just never know where you're gonna be
Shrug
placed.
here.
But
yeah. Shrug the shoulder up.
What?
Yeah, perfect. And then drop that down. So between grade 4 and grade 10?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a preference?
I think I do prefer high school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the students are a little bit more mature.
Yeah.
Shrug up again. And then drop down. And then one more time. Shrug up. And then drop down. And are you having to teach all subjects?
So in science I can teach like for grade 9 and 10.
Okay.
And then elementary school it's all the subjects.
Okay. That's exciting. And it's going to be in French, right?
Oh, French.
She speaks French. Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien?
Oui, ça va très bien.
See? We could just switch and make this whole appointment in French. It's funny, every once in a while I get Spanish speaking patients
Oh,
and I
yeah.
don't know how to speak Spanish.
Oh.
But I do know the basics.
There you go.
Boca arriba means face up. Boca abajo means face down. And then dolor, right? So pain.
Oh, there you go.
So that's
awesome.
really all you need to know. It helps. Here. And then here. But it's always interesting, the language barrier. We also get quite a few tourists here in Carpinteria, so I also had a patient that came from Amsterdam.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, so it was a very challenging language barrier, but we made do. It was a lot of Google Translate.
Yeah, that works though.
And then one more right here. Perfect. Okay, let me feel. So what I want to start with, I want to put some cups right here on your trap muscles. So I'm just going to do a little bit of emollient, which is kind of like a fancy lotion.
Okay.
I'm going to just drop that down. I'm just going to put that emollient on here. And then I'm going to grab some cups. So what did you do this morning?
We went to that beach you recommended.
Oh, amazing.
The one you guys said was your favorite.
Yeah.
It was really nice. There was no one there, so it was
Yeah.
really peaceful.
It's very private.
Yeah.
Loon
That was
Point.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was very beautiful. And then we just walked around downtown. Carpinteria.
Have you had cups before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so cups are a decompressive force, so essentially taking that muscle and bringing blood flow to it. Usually the redder the cup is, the more inflammation and the tighter those muscles are. So for you, it's getting, like, the actual cup itself isn't super red, but if you can see right in there, it's developing like a little bit of red marks, kind of like a hickey. So that's just gonna relax that. You might get a little bit of bruising there.
That's okay.
Hopefully you have nothing super exciting going on.
No.
That you need to look fabulous for.
No off-the-shoulder dresses.
No off-the-shoulder dresses, thank goodness. Danielle got married this year, so it's done.
All done.
Yes. You're lucky you're coming after.
Yeah.
No, my goal isn't to make it like super bruised, but every once in a while it gets like that, and I'm like, eh.
That's okay.
How does it feel? Does it feel tight?
No, yeah, but it feels fine.
Yeah. Lean your head to the right. Yeah. Is it warming up today out there?
Yeah, well, yeah, it's warm.
Yeah.
But in the shade, it's still cool.
Yeah.
So when you're in the sun, it's like perfect.
Was the beach okay?
Yeah, it was beautiful. It wasn't even windy at all or anything.
No. Isn't that the
So
best?
perfect.
So perfect. You're so blessed. Okay, I'm gonna have you go face down on the table. And I'm gonna do a little bit of flexion distraction. So the table's gonna move up and down.
Okay.
And I'm gonna stretch you out, okay?
Just like this.
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna maybe put your arms towards right here. Yeah, there's a little thing.
Oh, yes, okay.
That's usually a little bit more comfortable. So this table's gonna move up and down and I'm gonna stretch you.
Okay.
So when we hold tension, so for you in this big trap muscle here, because it inserts right here at the middle of the back, I like to take a large approach. So I also want to see, how do your low back muscles feel? Like, how does your whole spinal health feel? Because it'll give me a better idea of like where you're holding your tension. When you get massages, are they deep tissue or are they more Swedish?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's just a 60-minute massage with like an RTM.
Okay. Is it more
I
like...
think she does deep tissue because you can hear like the cracking, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
is it more like kind of sustained pressure?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not like more like...
Yeah, no, yeah, it's more sustained pressure,
Okay.
I'd say, yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, when I get my massages, I like it to be more Swedish, so a little bit more relaxing.
Okay, yeah.
The deep tissue stuff is really good, but I'm just a little sensitive.
Yeah.
I'm just like a little bit like a baby. So are you going to Dangburger after this?
Yes, I am.
Amazing.
So excited to try
Dangburger
it.
is one of our favorite burgers around here. You can smell it from here.
It was really busy when I walked by.
Yeah. Well, it's a beautiful day, so they get the busier, the nicer of a day it is, the busier they are. That's usually how it works. How's this feeling in here in your low back?
It feels good.
Good. Did you just get a normal Dangburger?
Yes, just the right one patty.
Perfect. They also have this hot Dang.
Okay.
I tried it once. It's very spicy.
So spicy.
So if you like spice,
Mhm.
it would be great. But if you don't like spice, excuse me, you would probably not really like it.
Yeah.
So here, what I'm testing for is how much movement you have in your low back and into your sacrum.
Okay.
So for you, you're a little bit locked in, like on this right side. So like when I'm pressing in on that low back, it could be a little tender for you. So when I have you onto your side and I'm going to adjust you, that's where I'm going to adjust you.
Okay.
So with you laying here, I'm going to do a little bit more cups between your shoulder blades, okay? So I'm going to lift this up. Perfect. You're a Lululemon girl today.
Yes, I am.
Are you always a Lululemon girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most days.
Most days?
It's cozy and comfy.
Yeah.
Especially when I work from home. I
Yeah.
don't need to look nice.
Yeah, totally. So now we're going to come a little bit lower. So we did the upper traps. Now we're going to do more of the middle traps in here. So this is scraping. So it's taking up any scar tissues in the area and breaking it up. You didn't realize you were going to get this whole amazing treatment today,
No,
huh?
I didn't. This is awesome.
You thought you were like, I'm just going to get a little crack. Just a little adjustment. Like we only like to do full treatments here. No half mini treatment. How are these cups? Do you like them or are they kind of weird?
It's a different sensation, but like it's okay.
Yeah.
It feels funny when you pump it though.
I know.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
Yeah.
So this is the gliding sensation. So what this does is it allows me to figure out where's the most tension. So for you, I can see there's a little bit of red starting to form right there. So I make sure I'm putting a cup right over that area.
Okay.
And then I usually do one above it and below it. So I'll do one below and then one above. And it's okay if they're not even on both sides. And then what we can also do is we could do a little bit of arm movement. So you could take this arm and you can reach it ahead and then back down and then reach it in front and then back down and then reach it up in front one more time and then back down. And then I'm going to come around onto this side. We'll do the same. So here and then reach ahead and then back and then reach ahead. So we're getting a little bit of movement within those cups. And then one more here and then back. Perfect. And then you can relax those arms down. I'm going to remove them. Good. Does it feel like a huge sense of relief when they come off?
Yeah, it does. My left side feels like a lot better.
Yeah. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a spray to get that emolment off of you. Just like a little bit off of there. A little bit. You definitely got a little on your hair.
That's fine. Don't worry.
I'm like, I usually don't get emollient on it. I'm like, of course, right on you. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring these up again. So let's first do, I wanna have you, so I'm gonna adjust this area right here first. So as I'm pressing in, I'm feeling for what's not giving. So on you, like right here and right here, feel the most locked up. So this is where I'm gonna apply my force, okay? So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in here for me. And then blow it all the way out. All the way. Good. How was that?
Okay.
Yeah. An interesting sensation, huh? Now let's have you come onto your right side and face me over here. Don't worry, I'll rearrange you. So you can put your head right there.
Where's this?
Just down a little bit. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
And then you're gonna come right here. So let me move you. I'm gonna fold
Okay,
you
yes.
like a pretzel.
Okay.
Have you seen this before?
I think so.
So keep this one straight.
this one like this?
Yeah, keep that one straight like that.
Oh,
perfect.
straight.
Yep. Amazing. Are you comfortable like
Yeah.
that? So what I'm gonna do is I'm finding the spot here. I'm gonna just do a little roll and drop. How was that?
That's good.
Good. Okay, flip to your other side.
Okay.
You can feel the movement, huh?
I can. Who knew?
So keep this bottom leg straight.
straight, yep.
Yeah, and that one bent.
Nice.
And then you're gonna do here and here. And I'm gonna have you, Hannah, maybe come just a little bit more like that, and then look over to your right shoulder. Yeah, you could keep this here. Perfect. Then I'm just gonna come in here, and then a little pop. Good. Amazing. And then onto your back. How'd that feel?
That felt good.
A different sensation.
Yeah, because I've never had it before.
Just underneath here. Underneath that one too. Yeah, perfect. I know, I remember when I've been getting chiropractic care my whole life, but when I was like an adult and it had been a while, I was like, this is a completely different like sensation than what I'm used to.
Yeah.
It was, it's very relieving is like the best way I can describe it. So now we're gonna do a little bit more work here in the traps. So like this big muscle right here. I'm just gonna hold and I'm gonna lean you to the right. And then relax into my hand. Yep. You just let me move your hand. I got you.
Okay.
And then one more right there. And do you ever get any numbness tingling down your arms?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. No carpal tunnel.
No,
That's good.
I don't think so at least.
Yeah, no, it's a good thing. With all the papers you're grading.
Yeah.
What is your favorite part about being a teacher?
The students.
The students?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't know, like, you don't think they like you, and then when you're about to leave, they're like, oh my goodness, you're
Yeah.
leaving us.
Like, you're leaving? I loved you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah. They're all great.
Yeah.
There's some that cause a little bit more trouble,
Of
but
course.
everyone's great.
Would you ever go and do more training to become like a principal?
I think so. Yeah,
Yeah.
I would definitely do that.
I feel like you would be a great principal.
Yeah. Like, I've managed people in my previous job, so I
Yeah.
think that would be a great goal.
Absolutely. I feel like you'd be really good at it.
Thank you.
Like on parents' side. But it's how much more schooling is it? Or is it more training?
So it's just more training. I'm also going to do just my master's because that helps as well.
Okay.
But yeah, you just have to take additional qualification courses.
Yeah. I feel like though with being a principal, you'd have to be the mayor of bad news.
Yeah, and a lot of responsibility because you're responsible for all the teachers and all the students.
Yeah.
So you're responsible for everybody.
Absolutely. I'm gonna do a little bit under here. So
Okay.
this is your sub-occipital muscles. So these ones right below your occiput.
Okay.
So when you have headache, these feel pretty tight on you.
Yeah, they do, yeah.
So when you have a headache, it can be due to the fact that these muscles are super tight.
Okay.
So there's certain exercises you can do in order to help strengthen these muscles. So the best one I like to give is when you're sitting in a car,
Okay.
putting your head on the back of the headrest,
Okay.
and then doing a little bit of a chin tuck. So like
Okay.
tucking your chin under
Uh-huh.
helps strengthen that.
Okay.
And so I think one of the biggest things is because our day-to-day life is so mobile and a lot of us are driving all the time,
Yeah.
we have a tendency to lean forward. And
Yeah.
so next time you're in a car driving, you can pay attention to where is my head? Is it on the
Okay.
headrest? Is it leaning forward? And if it is leaning forward, try to stick it back
Okay.
towards the back of the headrest. But what I don't want you doing is going and chopping all your hair off because you have a ponytail and the ponytail doesn't fit on the back.
Oh, yeah.
So don't do that.
Okay.
Because I have had a patient do that once.
Oh my goodness. That's
like, I'm so sorry. Like, I didn't realize you were going to go chop your hair off. I was like, I did not mean that. But
so just take your hair out of the ponytail.
Just take it out of the ponytail. Well, I always have my hair in claw clip. And so I always just take it out of that because that really limits it. So when I'm feeling your neck here, what I'm feeling for is what's not moving.
Okay.
So down here, actually, you have a decent movement.
Okay.
And then I come up here and I'm like, ooh, there's a little bit less movement here. So a little bit more, it could be tender on this right side as I'm palpating.
Yeah, I can feel that. Yeah.
And then when I come up here, like there's really not a lot of movement up here. And so this, I think, truly is what's causing all of your headaches.
Okay.
Because this is so locked up. So when I adjust you, this is where I'm going to be adjusting.
Okay.
So I'm just going to move your head to the one side. And I'm just going to put my hand kind of in that spot. And Hannah can come in a little closer. And then I'm going to do a little push.
Ooh.
You weren't expecting?
No, all the other ones were so quiet.
Well, this one's closer to your ears.
Okay, that's true.
So then I'm going to do on this end, I'm going to do similar spot, but a little bit higher.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you here. I'm just going to come up a little bit higher. So on this one, I'm just going to have you wiggle your toes.
Wow.
Good. There you go. I'm just going to do a little bit of traction. How are you feeling?
Good.
Relaxed?
Very relaxed.
It's normal for your neck to feel like a little bit warm and
Okay.
relaxed. It's just a parasympathetic response.
Okay.
I'm just going to traction up a little bit. Now you're going to be a whole new woman.
Yeah. It feels so great.
That's my favorite thing. After I get adjusted, I'm like, I'm a whole new woman. Like, I can do so many things. Okay, those feel good. You don't have too much up in here. So, let me see. Front parts of your hips. I'm just going to put just a little bit here. Any tenderness on either of these?
No.
I'm going to do just a little pull on this right leg. Good. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to have you come sit up for me. I'm going to do a little bit more scraping on your actual neck muscles here. And then you'll be all set. So I want you to look to the right, look to the left, see how that neck feels.
Oh, yeah, it feels good.
So much more range of motion.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to come, let's do this side. So I like to do the scraping right after we're doing the adjustment.
Okay.
Especially on the neck because it relaxes these muscles. And just gives like a cooling kind of sensation. As a chiropractor, I like to do the muscle work paired with the adjustments, because if I just adjusted you and then you went out and I didn't do any of the muscle work and your muscles were still tight, then you're gonna have still kind of like that lack of movement. So for me, I want to address both things. Yeah. And then I'm gonna come to this side. And then I'm just gonna come right in here. So just a little higher up into these actual scalene muscles, your paraspinals.
That feels really nice.
Amazing. So I'm just gonna wipe this off. Okay, then come stand up. Do a little movement, do a little shimmy, see how your body feels. That feels great?
Yeah, I can move my head. It feels awesome. Thank you.
See, not so intimidating after all.
No, it's great. Thank you so much.
You're
I
so
appreciate it.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. You have a wonderful day.
You as well. Thanks.
Yay!